So looking at the review problems, when you take the test, make sure you're showing the appropriate work. If you need to see sort of explanations for why these are the way they are, please go back and look at the notes for part 1, 2, or 3. When I multiply things with the same base, I add the exponents. The coefficients get multiplied, so my work step is to show that I'm going to take negative 6 times 8, but then if I think about it, 14x's here, 32x's here, all multiplied together, I would have 46x's. So x to the 14 plus 32 power is the work that I show. Negative 48, x to the 46th power is my answer. Again, multiplying the coefficients, 8 times 4. I'm going to add my exponents, a to the 12 plus 11 power, b to the 1, because this is a b to the first, plus 9 power gives me 32, a to the 23rd, b to the 10th. That's the work I have to show, and that's the answer I should get. That work is mandatory. This means to take this thing times itself, and times itself again. So part of that I would have negative 5 times itself, which is negative 5 to the 4th power. Yes, you have to show that work. And I would have 60 m's by the time I'm done, because I'd have 4 groups of 15 m's, so 15 times 4, which gives me 625 m to the 60th power for my final answer. And in this case, the coefficient here is just 1, so x to the 8 times 7 gives me x to the 56th power for my answer. The work I am showing is the minimum required work for these problems. 72 divided by 9 is 8. And then p to the, dividing things with the same base, so I subtract the exponents. Because again, think about it, I have 40 p's out here, 14 p's here, I'd have 26 more p's in the numerator than the denominator. And then this is just over 1, so it becomes 8p to the 26th power when I simplify it. Subtracting the exponents, so x to the 12 minus 26th power, gives me x to the negative 14th power, but I can't have an exponent or an answer that's got a negative exponent. This is like x to the negative 14th over 1. So the x is not happy. It wants to move. It moves to the denominator to become an x to the positive 14. And the coefficient down in front of here was 1. I just didn't write it down. So that 1 stays put. 1 over x to the 14th power. Again, anything raised to the 0 power is 1, so d to the 0 power is 1. So 1 to the 5th power is not going to change anything. I could just 1 times 2e to the 7th is 2e to the 7th. So I have 2 to the 5th, and then e to the 7 times 5 gives me 32 e to the 35th power. In this case, I don't see the same variable twice, so this is just a matter of having no negative exponents when I'm done. The k is not happy. It's got thinking negative thoughts. It wants to move, so it moves to the denominator, and then its thoughts become positive. The m is fine where it is. Already has a positive exponent. J is not happy. It wants to move, so it moves from the denominator to the numerator. J comes before m alphabetically, so the j to the positive 9th now power goes in front. Again, the p, not thinking happy thoughts. It wants to move. It moves. Thoughts become positive. J alphabetically before M before P. Those should be in that order.